Welcome students for the Learning Management System, Chapter 9, The Time Machine. The program BSc Language English, 4th semester, session number 34. In this session, we are going to discuss about the time machine and its major characters. Created, I am Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, Yelahanka, and I created along with Dr. Suresh SB. Characters. The time machine, the time traveler, he is the protagonist of the story. He is an eminent British scientist who, with the true spirit of inquiry and the inquisitiveness, represent the die-hard eccentric scientist of H.G. Wells' times. His obsession with the time traveler not only puts him ahead of his times, but also represents him as an eccentric person. It is significant to note that he is not addressed by his name. He successfully builds a time machine that transports him into the future, which makes him an innovator and inventor. His responses to situations and his observations underline and reveal his character. For example, his disappointment with the humans of the future and their lifestyles tells us that he had a great belief in human progress and science that is destroyed. He valued human potential for intelligence, and that is the cause of his disillusionment with the future. His commentaries and observations during time traveling emphasize the fact that he had a true scientific temper. He could objectively analyze unpredictable occurrences and could also adjust to the altered conditions with equanimity. Though keeping company with the elite class, his preoccupations and mannerisms suggest that he is not comfortable with snobbery and foppery. There is also a softer human side that is quite in opposition to his cold, crystalline scientific side. This emerges in his dealings with Veena, whom he sees as a female, though he is not sure of her sex. He could get nervous easily as an apparent in his panic attack on discovering this that his time machine is missing. There is also a violent side to him that emerges in his interactions with the Morlocks. He is also a bit of a joker as he can laugh at himself and his failures. This makes him a better scientist. He realizes the irony of circumstance when he says that he had taken so much trouble to build a machine to travel into the future and was at a point in time desperately trying to get back to the past. He is not all perfect like a stereotypical hero but remains human through his flaws. He commits many mistakes like leaving his machine without protection, not taking his weapon when he descends to the world of the Morlocks, etc. He travels to the year 802-701. Okay, here the second second major character of the story, the narrator. The narrator, though he is not there from chapter 3 to chapter 11, he is an unobtrusive but a strong presence in the novella. He is important as he is the only one who is ready to believe the adventures of the traveler. Wells seems to caution the reader about the future through the narrator's responses. Not only is the narrator one of the few to believe in the story, but he is also ready to accept the dystopian tendencies of the future that lies in the story for humankind. He is also ready to accept that changes are required to the present to foresee a better future. The third character, the dinner guests. It's not single characters, they are five in number. The dinner guests, they form a group of people who represent the elite English society. The medicine man and the psychiatrist function as the critical voice that is essential to make this science fiction a balanced, tenable one with an objectively analyzed perspective. They also represent the Victorian luxury and leisure, as well as their fondness for discussions and debates. There is also a hint that the future Eloi are projected through the elite class. There is the danger of this class degenerating into the weak and dependent Eloi of the future. So also the casual talk about the working class and the colored also suggests that the Morlocks of the future are in making in the present. The guest points of view are used as counter narratives to the traveler's narrative, thus bringing a sense of balance to the story. The voice of cynicism and dead routine of status quoism is apparent in the guests, which is a contrast to the optimism and dynamisms of the time traveler. The fourth character, the Veena, another major character of the story. The Veena is an ally. The allies are vegetarians who look childlike and playful in their demeanor and behavior. He is not able to determine its sex. The time traveler is not able to determine its sex, but even though she looks like a woman, but concludes that she is a female. He saves her from drowning. She is grateful for this and becomes his friend. She follows him with a dog-like devotion everywhere, and he connects develops an attachment to her. She dies in the forest fire during the conflict between the time travelers and the Morlocks. Eloi. Veena is the representative of all the good and the bad in the Eloi. She is extremely afraid of the dark. The time traveler gets to know much about the Eloi through Veena. He comes to know that they are a highly evolved upper class. They are peaceful, lazy, over dependent, weak, frail, beautiful, and stupid. They are allowed to breed like a cattle by the Morlocks, only to be stalked at night for food. Most are eaten before their time, so there are no old people or burial grounds in the upper world of the Eloi. The Morlocks, they are the evolved working class and antagonists who try to take on to time traveler. They seem to have been pushed deeper and deeper into the ground and seem to have learned to live successfully in subterranean worlds, according to the time traveler. They are descendants of the 19th century and evolve into the distinct natural species, adapt at climbing and used to darkness. They rule their upper world cousins Eloi, breeding them for food. They are aggressive, ape-like people who have large eyes and are sensitive to light. They maintain and run machines deep in the earth. Here, the major characters session is completed and a reference is given for the further information and this and along with the general text English textbook for the fourth semester, and here the session comes to an end. Thank you.